Have you ever felt nervous when speaking in front of others? If yes, you are not alone. My name is Ibrahim, and today I will explain what stage fright is, why it happens, and how we can overcome it to become a more confident speakers. Stage fright or public speaking anxiety is a very common problem among students and even professionals. And many people feel nervous or uncomfortable when speaking in front of others. What stage fright is and why it happens? Stage fright includes both physical and mental reaction. Physically, people feel their hand shaking, heart beating fast, and their voice becoming weak. Mentally, they may think negative thoughts such as "I will make a mistake" or "people will judge me." According to study by Mentawait, students often experience sweating, trembling, and fear of forgetting their speech. Researchers say that the main reason for the fear is the worry about being judged by audience. Another study explains that students who don't believe in their own ability to speak will experience more anxiety if a speaker expects to fail. This expectation can become a self-fulfilling prophecy, meaning the fear itself causes poor performance. Ways, ways to overcome stage fright and build confidence. Researchers suggested several effective methods for reducing stage fright. First, preparation and practice. The more you prepare, the more confident you become. Practicing several times helps reduce fear because the speaker becomes familiar with the content. This lowers uncertainty and improves clarity. Next one is positive thinking. Replacing negative thoughts with positive, realistic ones is very helpful. Instead of "I will forget everything," we can say "I'm prepared and I can do this." This method, known as cognitive restructuring, is supported by psychological studies. The next one, building self-confidence. According to Lester, developing self-confidence, reducing anxiety. Confidence grows when we practice small tasks first, such as speaking to friends or recording ourselves, and then move to bigger audience. Fourth one is exposure and gradual experience. Facing the fear step by step is one of the best ways to overcome it. Speaking in small groups, then medium, then groups help the speaker slowly reduce fear. The next one,
Relaxation.
The next one is relaxation technique. Breathing exercise, muscle relaxation, and short mindfulness. Practicing help calm the body. When the body relaxes, the mind becomes more stable. Conclusion. In conclusion, stage fright is common issues that affect both physical and mental reaction. It has a clear negative effect on academic and personal growth. However, by using preparation, passive thinking, self-confidence, building gradual exposure, and relaxation techniques, anyone can reduce stage fright and become a stronger, more confident public speaker. With time and practice, fear can be replaced with clarity, control, effective communication. This brings brings my presentation to end. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any questions or thoughts, feel free to leave them in the comments. I appreciate your time.